Hi guys, just a quick response to Fusion 360's school video on how to do this crosshatch pattern. I had a few thoughts on how you could optimize this second method in this video. So starting off where he was here, so I've got the top half of the body. As he did, I'm going to create a sketch on the end with a circle profile, do a thin extrude with a taper such that it matches the internal geometry and doesn't breach through the edges. After that, I'm going to combine it with this original half, just using the original half as a tool to cut the bottom off, just a little bit easier that way. I'll hide the top body and hide the sketch because they're now irrelevant. So I've got half this cone with a simple curve on it. I'll sketch the pattern as he did underneath using that cool trick for the diamonds. Emboss that positively with enough thickness to go through the original body, just as he did originally as well. So as you can see, it protrudes over the original surface. At this point, I'm going to take a copy of the original base shape, so I'll just hide this tool. So I've got a second copy of the original, so it's exactly as it was before. I'm then going to offset its face in by whatever depth you want your pattern to go into. So I've made this, I think, 2 mm. Once that's done, what I can do is combine the original body with the pattern. So now I've got an original body which has the pattern, but it goes much deeper than you want. So it's combined using an intersection. So you get the combination of both intersections. So it's following the original outline, but this pattern goes much deeper than intended. Then you do a combined join with the internally offset one, and that will bring the pattern out to be the correct depth on the final object. I hope this helps someone. Cheers.